Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Sorkar jala ka Bu Ahmad ya ka thong ban pinki embyang ya ka Maumulu Chera Cement Limited lingba ka joint venture. Kala yo priang ya ka expression of interest na ka Bhavika Private Limited na ka jala West Bengal kabala panpao ba ka long ba kloy ban pinki ya ka ni ka karkhana pinmi dobilat bala penyai da ka Sorkar menta de postnam. Ucharman jaka Maumulu Chera Cement Limited ba wailat Mccl hakaji ekran bikilat pathai khubor ulong ba unsalet Kolkata ban Pynshisha ya Bhavika Private Limited lakadai ni am ko company ka bajupan mi ya ka dobilat ulong ba wala kata ka Sorkar kan Aiti ya kani ka karkhana sa ka Bhavika Private Limited lingba ka joint venture hendai ka jinglong try kanyai sahi bar ka Sorkar jala.
I don't exactly remember the name. One was this JK Cement and the other one from Guwahati. I've forgotten the name, but later on we find out it is not a manufacturer. It's just a marketing company. So that's why we said no and they back down because it is our MCCL is a manufacturing unit. No, it has to be. Not participate. Yeah, they bought this what to say the EOI they bought, but they didn't submit it. Around I think 7-8 of them bought the paper. But they didn't submit it. Only those three, yeah. One from Guwahati, one was JK Cement, and the other one was Bhavika Private Limited. It's been actually, I think, as you remember, this is not new. This is since before because we have before coming to this decision, the government has sent a team from the planning department to do a thorough survey that how we can revive the plan. The first was that we have to invest for around 180 to 200 crores, which was impossible for the government. Looking the financial crisis we are having because of the pandemic. So it's totally like not possible for the government. So the second option we are looking at was joint venture, and the third was to total closure of the plan. So we are still like in the second option of joint venture, and then I'm quite happy to inform that after that Bhavika Private Limited present the presentation in front of us to the board meeting to the board and then to the Chief Minister as well. It was quite a practical presentation. It's not like quite big promise and all. It's quite practical, and I'm really looking forward that this thing will be a success, and then we will be able to revive MCCL as before. 51 with the government and 49 with that Bhavika Private Limited. So the ownership will be with the state government.